over time, these can develop that little clicking noise. Just think if this little bolt is moving ever so slightly every time you pedal. So with your spray lube, I want you to lay your bike on its side. You can even lay it on one side, then flip it over, lay it on the other side, and repeat the process. And I just want you to take a little bit of this spray lube and put it on the side of the bolt. See how it foams up and sits on there? Because the bike's on its side, it can find its way in. You can be liberal with this stuff. It'd be good to put it on the seat post, around where the clamp meets the frame, and then flip the bike, do it on the other side. Here's a more complicated seat post binder clamp. See how it's nestled down into the frame there in front of the seat post? It's the same thing with these. You spray a little lube on it, and with any luck, that will get down inside there and stop the clicker